Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm trying out a pre-cut hair system from Superhairpieces for the very first time. The one I got is the M118 in color E1B, and the hairstyle I chose looks like this. So yeah, let's get started. I've already got the hair system here, I've put the tapes around the base, and now I'm just going to install it. I usually start by placing it on my forehead and then adjusting it carefully. Alright, I've rinsed the hair, and now I'm going to style it a bit. And honestly, it looks really good. Now, let's talk a bit about the advantages of a pre-cut hair system. If you live in a city where it's hard to find a good hair system barber, or you just feel a bit shy going to one, this service can save you a lot of time and stress. One thing to note though, the hair might be left slightly longer than what you see in the photos. That's intentional because if it's too long, you can always trim it. But if it's too short, well, you can't grow it back. So yeah, what do you think of my new hair system? If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.